The downfall of Windows 8 was not due to a single factor, but rather a convergence of issues that left both desktop and tablet users feeling alienated and frustrated. The first major issue was the radical interface changes. The introduction of the touch-optimized start screen, dubbed the Metro UI, replaced the familiar desktop and start menu, causing confusion among longtime Windows users. The once straightforward task of finding applications and navigating the system became a cumbersome process. Adding to the disorientation was the removal of the iconic Start button, a cornerstone of the Windows experience. Users were forced to learn new gestures and shortcuts to access their programs and files. The desktop, once the heart of Windows, was sidelined. The user interface heavily favored touch functionality, which made desktop tasks feel awkward and clunky. This was a blow to traditional PC users who relied on their keyboard and mouse for navigation and productivity. The complexities didn't stop at the interface. Windows 8 required a significant learning curve, forcing users to adapt to a drastically different workflow. This was met with resistance, especially by older users and those who were comfortable with Windows 7. Essential features were often hidden or accessed through unintuitive gestures, hindering discoverability and ease of use. In addition, many existing desktop apps weren't compatible with the new Metro UI, leading to frustration and limitations for users. Furthermore, while Windows 8 was aimed at both tablets and PCs, it wasn't truly optimized for either. It wasn't intuitive enough for tablets to compete with iOS or Android, and the clunky desktop experience alienated PC users. Ignoring user feedback was another misstep. Microsoft seemingly turned a deaf ear to initial user concerns and feedback about the drastic changes, fueling further frustration and resistance. The result? Windows 8 saw poor adoption, a plummeting market share compared to Windows 7, and widespread criticism. However, every cloud has a silver lining. The shortcomings of Windows 8 served as a learning experience for Microsoft. The lessons learned influenced the design of Windows 10, which offered a more familiar desktop experience while incorporating touch-friendly elements. In summary, Windows 8's downfall was due to a combination of radical interface changes, unnecessary complexities, and a misaligned focus. These factors led to a poor user experience, and ultimately, its failure. However, it served as a stepping stone to the development of Windows 10, a system that successfully merged the traditional desktop experience with touch-friendly elements.